Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Cajun Roux. First, gather your ingredients. Typically, 1 cup of oil or rendered fat and 1 cup of all-purpose flour. You'll also need a heavy-bottomed pot or cast-iron skillet and a whisk. The key to a great roux is constant stirring and patience. We'll explore different stages of roux and their uses in various recipes. To begin, select your fat. Vegetable oil, canola oil, or even bacon fat work wonderfully. Measure out equal parts fat and flour, for example, 1/2 cup of each. A cast-iron skillet or a heavy-bottomed pot is crucial for even heat distribution. Grab a sturdy whisk or a flat-bottomed wooden spoon for continuous stirring, which is vital for preventing lumps and burning. Heat your chosen fat in the pot over medium heat. Once shimmering, gradually whisk in the flour until smooth. Continue stirring constantly. For a blonde roux, cook for about 5 to 7 minutes until it resembles peanut butter in color. For a darker, more flavorful roux, continue cooking for 15 to 25 minutes, reaching a rich chocolate brown. Patience is key here. Always stir your roux continuously, especially as it darkens, to prevent scorching. If it starts to burn, discard it and start fresh. There's no saving a burnt roux. Once your roux reaches the desired color, immediately add your cold aromatics to stop the cooking process. This versatile base is perfect for thickening and flavoring gumbos, etouffees, and gravies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.